Want to create eye-catching flip boxes in WordPress? Let's explore how to use aBlocks Flipbox block in seconds. First, open your page, search for Flipbox, and insert the aBlocks Flipbox block, easy as that. After inserting the block, you'll see the front side of your content. But wait! There's extra content we don't need. Let's clean this up by removing all the default fields. Simply select and delete them, keeping your design neat and distraction-free. Now, let's structure our layout. Insert a container block to organize your content effortlessly. Let's start by uploading your front side image. Once uploaded, adjust the alignment and set the correct width for a perfect fit. Now, insert a heading below the image and give your image a name. Next, set the appropriate HTML tags and fix the alignment for the title. Time to add some descriptive text. Insert a paragraph block, input the text, and adjust its alignment for a clean look. Now, let's customize the back of the flip box. Under General, click on Back to start editing. From the Style section, pick a background color for the back part. Then, set the border radius to give it a smooth finish. Now, go back to the Content section and insert a heading block. Set a suitable title. Choose the right HTML tag, fix the alignment, and pick a color from the Style section. Next, add a paragraph block. Input text. Set the alignment, and pick a text color. Repeat this for another paragraph, ensuring it fits your design. Now, let's add social icons. Take a container block. Insert an icon block, and duplicate it as needed. One by one, assign social icons to each block. Adjust the size and color to match your design. Now, set the icon position as a row. Justify them properly, and ensure they align perfectly. Great job! Now save all your changes and preview the page to see your beautifully created flipbox with aBlocks. And there you have it. A stunning flipbox designed effortlessly with aBlocks. Want more design tutorials? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.